guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do the unboxing of the Aniketos tactical long sleeve polo shirt, and that will be from Pentagon. So a few words about Pentagon. Is a Greek company and is active on military clothing and accessories since 1991. So it's based in Greece and manufacturing in various countries such as Pakistan, China, etc. Okay, let's open it. See how the shirt looks like. Take it out. Get rid of the packaging. Here you get the label. Aniketos. Aniketos actually means invincible in Greek. That's a large. Pentagon, born for action. Large. Let's unfold. We got extra those stripes. So a few words about the shirt. We have a polycotton blend, 60-40%, which gives an extra strength and resistance to tear, of course. We get that flexibility. It's not kind of stiff, but is it flexible? Yes. We got no pockets. Staying on the back. We got the Pentagon logo. So the weight is around 220 grams. It has a great airflow because of the polycotton blend fabric. The collar basically is anti-roll for a clean look, and the shirt is regular fit and runs true to size, slightly on slim. We're closing up with buttons. Yes, overall it fits well, looks great, and comes in a very attractive price with a tag of around 30 euros. I will drop few links on the description which you can see where you can buy the shirt. Overall, great tactical shirt, to my opinion, from a Greek company. Well done. Yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please give thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.